This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Now we will consider a use case for data science. There is a detergent manufacturing plant located in Pune. All of a sudden, they started incurring huge losses due to defective products. They were manufacturing a detergent powder known as Tide. You would have heard about the surf washing powder, SURF surf. Now, what is the color of surf? Tell me. It is light blue color. And when you open a packet of surf, you will get fragrant smell. And all it will be available in the form of very small granules. So these are the three characteristics of surf: light blue color, fragrant smell, small minute granules. Suppose you purchase a packet of surf and they open it, you don't see the light blue color. The substance is in dark orange color, and then you will definitely become suspicious. Something is wrong. This product is defective. You will return it to the shop, and the shop will return to the company. Let us consider another situation. On another day, it's only a fictitious situation, imaginary situation. You purchase a packet of surf, you open it. Now the color is light blue, but you don't get fragrant smell. You get a very bad smell. Even in this case, you will decide that it is a defective product. You will return it. Is the idea clear? So something has gone wrong with the right, either with the raw materials or with the machinery or with the operators in that company, right? These three are the major factors, raw materials, machinery, and the operators. Something has gone wrong and the products became defective, and many packets of right Tide were returned. So they loss ran into several crores of rupees per year. So they immediately wanted to solve the problem. What did they do? They tried to find out the reason for the defective product. They called the people who supplied raw materials. They said, we are supplying only good raw materials, nothing wrong with us. They immediately talked to the people who supplied and maintained the machinery. They said they were doing their work properly. And then the company, the production manager spoke to the operators. They said, we always work properly. So everyone says he or she is all right, but the end product is not correct. So they wanted to do their study in a scientific manner. So they called in a data science team. They collected a lot of data. They answered the questions. What are the questions? What are the real reasons for getting defective product? So in order to answer that particular vital question, the data science team visited the factory. They wanted to have an overall idea about the production process. First of all, raw materials are brought in. Now, what do they produce in that particular manufacturing company? They manufacture a detergent powder. It is known as Tide. It is more or less same as surf, right? So raw materials were brought in first, and then one chemical process known as saponification is done. Another chemical process is done, and purification was done, and then finishing touch was given. Finally, quality checks were given, right? Now, you can ask me, after doing all these quality checks, how can they become right defective? Sometimes what happens at this time, everything is okay. And when you try to save the packet, right, preserve the packet for 1 week, 2 weeks, see, after a packet of surf or Tide is produced, it is not going to be sold within a day or two. It may probably, right, remain in the shop's shelf, even for 1 month. Even after 1 month, right, its quality should be maintained. The color should not change, the fragrance smell should not change. That is where the problem arose. Okay, now, even though you need not know what exactly is saponification and all, better you have some idea. As a data scientist, better you have some idea that will be helpful to you in one way or other in when you analyze the data. And then the data science team, right, sat with the people who were working in that factory, and then they decided what type of data are to be collected at stage 1, data to be collected at stage 2, data to be collected at various other stages. So here is where the role of data scientist becomes very crucial. Now, would you like to have a type of the data that they have collected? Yes, I would like to show. Say the type of the product is Tide. They have collected so many values, all the required values. So if you are a data scientist, with a lot of experience, you will be able to decide what type of data are needed to answer the questions raised by the client. Finally, by analyzing the data, I have shown you the data, in the previous slide. Now they analyze the data by using various data science techniques like regression, classification, and all, and they got the final solution. What is the final solution? Look at this box. The second point in this box, stage 1 raw material quality parameter is creating a problem. Look at the third point, stage 3 raw material quality parameters also create some problem. So what do you understand? There are as many as 4 stages, but only the raw materials used in stage 1 and stage 3 are responsible for getting defective products. So what can the company managers do now? They will not call everybody and scold. That is not the correct thing to do. They will call the people who supply raw materials that are used in stages 1 and 3. In other words, they will not call the people who supply raw materials that are used in stages 2 and 4. They are all right. So they will call only the people who are supplied raw materials that are used in stages 1 and 3, pull them up, see the defective products are only because of the poor quality raw material you provide. So now we have scientifically analyzed using statistical techniques, right? Now you either correct yourself or otherwise we will change ourselves to another supplier. Similarly, look at the fourth line. Look at the fourth line in the box, stage 3 machinery resources. See, machines are used in all the stages, but only the machinery that is used in stage 3 is responsible for creating defective products. These are known as insights, valuable information. The very purpose of data science, collecting data, analyzing data by applying data science techniques, is to get such scientific insights. Now you know, see, the machines are used in all the stages, but you are not going to call everyone who has supplied the machine and scold him or her. Now you will call only those people, though the company that has supplied the machinery that you use in the third stage. You will tell him in very clear terms. See, after doing data science study, we have come to know that only the machinery supplied by you creates problem, results in defective products. Set it right. Is the rough idea clear? So the manufacturing industries like the detergent manufacturing industry and the people who manufacture refrigerators, air conditioners, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, all of them now use data science. So they appoint data scientists. So this is one interesting use case for data science. We are going to post videos right about such interesting use cases in the near future. So please subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications whenever we post the videos. Thank you.